Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutinkufoodies. My today's recipe is a Makar Sankranti special Til Ladoos. These ladoos are super healthy and yummy. They are refined sugar-free and loaded with healthy fats, protein and fiber. And also they are very easy to make and require only 4 ingredients. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So in a low to medium heated pan, we'll add 3/4 cup sesame seeds, half cup chopped cashews, and we'll roast them for about 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and let them cool for some time. Once they are cool, we'll transfer them in a food processor or blender. Along with some cardamom powder. And we'll blend them into a coarse mixture. Now we'll add 1 cup chopped seedless dates. And we'll give it a good blend till everything is well combined. And the laddu mixture is ready. We'll transfer it in a bowl. And start making the laddus. Rich in protein, healthy fats and fiber, these laddus are packed with nutrients. They are not only a perfect yummy treat for this Makar Sankranti, but you can also enjoy them as a mini healthy snack. And these Til Ladoos are ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So do try these healthy and yummy ladoos and let me know in the comment section. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.